The Infinix Smart 9 HD is making waves ahead of its launch in India. This entry-level 4G phone, unveiled in Africa, boasts an impressive 6.7-inch IPS LCD display with peak brightness of 500 nits and a smooth refresh rate of up to 90 Hz. It's powered by a MediaTek Helio octa-core processor, paired with 3 GB or 4 GB of RAM, expandable to a whopping 8 GB with virtual memory. In storage, you get 64 GB, expandable up to 2 TB with a micro SD card. The 5,000 mAh battery ensures you stay powered up, supporting 10W charging, and it runs on the latest Android 14 Go edition. Photography enthusiasts will love the 13-megapixel rear camera with dual flash for stunning shots, while the 8-megapixel front camera is perfect for selfies. Plus, it features DTS-powered dual speakers, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and even IP54 splash resistance. With dual SIM support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, the Smart 9 HD is packed with features that make it a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable smartphone.